Hello everyone, in this video we'll be guiding you through how to apply for a PenFed auto loan. So stick around to the end to understand the steps involved in doing this. Now you can make the choice between applying online, in person, or over the phone. But in this video we'll be guiding you on how you can do this online. Now before applying for an auto loan, you need to use the online application process to determine what you're pre-qualified for. According to the lender's website, the process usually only takes a few minutes once you've put in all your information. The next thing you need to do is to pick your loan terms and provide the documents. So when you choose the loan term and the APR that fits your budget and provide any documents such as your pay stubs as requested, you will be moving closer to an approval. And when all these documents have been provided and submitted, you can expect to receive your auto loan. Alternatively, the funds will be sent directly to the dealership. Let us know if this was helpful and thanks for watching.